right here you can see we have a standard calculator. So we're going to do a simple math equation, which is 3 plus 2. You guys know this one. It's an easy one. That equals 5. But if you notice, we don't have the decimal points on there. So we're going to try that again. Let me clear that. So now I'm going to do 3.0 plus 2.0, which equals 5. So 3 plus 2 is the same as 3.0 plus 2.0. So the answer doesn't change. So when we place the zeros after the decimal point, it doesn't change the answer. When writing numbers, the only time a decimal point is needed is when the ones place needs to be identified. The ones place needs to be identified when a number includes a value less than 1, such as tenths or hundredths. All right, so when we're looking at that, we have 1 and 1/10 and 1/100th. So this is a fraction. We know if we've got 1/10, that's the same as 10 ones. So that would be 1 and 11/100ths. We could add those together. So, but let's think about that. What are those places? Well, if we think of the dollar, and that is our whole, then where do you think we're going to put this little Mr. Old Dime? Ah, you're right. The dime is equal to 1/10. So a dime is 1/10. Well, what about this shiny brand new penny with good old Abe on there from 2005? Might be worth money now. Where would that go? Ah, you're right. That penny, well, that belongs in the hundredths. So we know that the 1 is the whole, that's the dollar. Then the 10, that is worth 10 cents. That is a tenth, 1/10. And the penny would be 1/100th, 1/100th. So this would be the same. If we added those together, the 10 becomes 10 ones, plus the 1 is 11/100ths. So this would be 1 and 11/100ths. Let's go back to our trusty old calculator here. And now we're going to add $3 plus $2 plus 10 cents. Now notice our answer there comes to 5.1. Where we see that decimal point, well, that decimal point is going to tell us that where the ones are to the left. So there are 5 ones or 5 wholes. That 1 over there equals tenths. So there is 1/10. So we've got 5 and 1/10. Now we can do that. We're going to do a couple practices. I'm going to give you some to draw on, and you're going to put the answers in there, and then we're going to see how you did. Good luck.